compatible with the modular storage thing, the buy one get one free storage system. They do have some nice deals. Here's a 3-pack of 4 amp. Free tools are these. We got the Ridgid and Makita Black Friday 2024. Yes, they're here. They're down at the stores. They're available online. I will be making some more videos of each brand. I already did make a DeWalt and Milwaukee video. Make sure you guys check it out on my channel. I'll see if I can link it up above on the right hand corner there. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook so you guys won't miss any of the latest Black Friday and holiday deals. All right, let's go ahead and start. All right, so this is the $99 for the panel lights and $69 for the vacuum. So that is a newer panel light for the Ridgids. They are battery powered. You got $149 for this 2-tool combo kit. Does include a circular saw, a drill, 2 batteries, charger, and a case. So it's actually a pretty nice kit there. 6.5 circular saw, 2 and a 4. All right, $59.88. It's back, yes, from last year. This is a 5 horsepower. It's actually pretty good value for your money on that vacuum. All right, we got another vacuum here. This is compatible with the modular storage system from Ridgid. $79.97. This is actually pretty nice. It's very compact. Got a 2-pack of filters, $29.97. This is a great value on that one as well. $139 for the 2-tool combo kit. $129 for the one-handed reciprocating saw. Subcompact brushless. That's it right there. Does come with battery, 2 amp hour battery and charger. Then you got drill driver and impact driver, battery and charger. All right, so they do have for the Pro Gear Ridgid modular storage system. They do have some nice deals. $29.98 for the smaller one, $39.98 for the medium, and then $79.98 for the rolling toolbox. $99 for the 3-drawer. And then $79.97 for that 4-gallon vacuum, and then the filters and the auto detailing kit there for $29. That's not bad. All right, so these are the drawers for $99. This is actually not a bad deal if you want to look at competitors. And here's the 3-piece system when it's completed. And here's the vacuum that's on sale. So pretty nice deal. It does have some wheels for $79.97. That's actually a pretty good value. All right. On this one, we do got the buy one get one free. So the $249 impact driver and drill driver does qualify for that, and the 2 batteries for $149 does qualify for a free tool. You can choose from the compact job site blower, subcompact multi-material saw, the radio with Bluetooth. You got the inflator, the job site blower, the job site radio, and then you got the angle grinder and the oscillating tool, multi-tool. The 6-port sequential charger, the 6.5 circular saw, and the 5-inch random orbit sander. There's a lot of good tools to choose from. This is very, very good price. All right, so this is the 6-port charger. This is $139. The cheapest kit to buy is this one. This one's $149. It does get you the free tool. And then one of the free tools is obviously this circular saw is the one that's available with this deal. And then you got the angle grinder, the speaker or the radio, whatever you want to call it, the inflator or the blower, the cutoff tool, they're valued at $69, then that inflator for $49. So all those do qualify for the buy one get one free. This is the top tier. This is going to be impact driver hammer drill for $249. Will get you that free tool. All right, let's move on to the Makitas. So yes, Makita does have the same thing, the buy one get one free. They do have a wide selection of tools as well. Probably a little bit more than Ridgid. All right, to start here, we got the top tier for $399 will get you a hammer drill impact driver 2-tool combo. Or the cheaper, which is $199 with the 2 batteries. That's available for a free tool as well. And then you got a 3-pack of super savings for $199, 4 amp hour batteries. All right, to start here, let's start from the left. You got the quarter sheet sander, circular saw, oscillating tool, the blower. You got the ratchet, reciprocating saw, impact driver. You got the X-Lock angle grinder, 4.5, 5-inch. You got a 5 amp hour battery and a jigsaw, guys. Those are all included with this promo. Definitely check it out. Here's a 3-pack of 4 amp hour batteries for $199. And then you got this 5 amp hour battery for $157. I do apologize for the camera. bad camera guy. Alright, so $199 is the cheaper one. This is the cheapest kit you can buy with the 2 batteries, a charger. That's qualified for a free tool. And then you got the hammer drill and impact driver for $399. That's qualified for a free tool as well. So free tools are these. This is the angle grinder X Lock, valid at $189. Quarter sheet sander, valid at $139 there at the right. And then you got the impact driver, valid at $149. You got the ratchet there for $189. So ratchet right there. That's actually a pretty nice ratchet. I believe it does have an adapter for 1/4 and 3/8. You got a circular saw. What is it? A jigsaw, a reciprocating saw, and a blower saw. Those are all pretty good deals. With these, 459 CFM. So guys, that's it. Just a short video on this one. As soon as more deals post, I will be posting more videos and posting more TikToks and stuff like that. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.